Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today we get to walk you through this 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This has the black hull side with the nice 320 hard top. And then obviously being a 320, this is the twin engine. This is a great boat. Let's take a look at the interior. So there are a lot of different features on the 320 I love. This is probably one of my favorites. Up here in the bow of this cruiser, you've got great seats. You've got armrests, you've got cup holders, stereo controls. Just a great place to sit pretty much all day. Another great feature of the 320 is the cockpit area. You've got a nice entertainment area to prepare food and drinks with a little refrigerator. You've got a place for a table, and you've got seating for all your guests. Another great feature of the 320 is the cabin. You've got a nice place right here. You can fill this in, or you can take that filler out and it can be a place, little dinette, be able to eat down here. And then you've got a great place to sleep. Those two can be pushed together to make one larger bed if you like. You've also got microwave. You've got another refrigerator, and then in this 320 we do have the stand-up head, and it is a wet head as well.